MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rumba Kajalau Conrad ki sangma mentaka sengi uloong baka jungte ye ke entry exit gate haomling kamlong satya ka ba e henreban Nym Treikam ye ka jungtalasi klem kinorem ne ki kendon bas kham ka an kanamlong satya ka ba seiso haba jubam ye ka jungkran jong menteri ka tanat jungo kai prothei Timothy Dishira ban bo ye ka tourist registration center haomling ban pet perman ye ka rungkami kinong jungo kai prothei ki bawan na shabar ka jala u Conrad ki sangma uloong batang ka jingdon ka te ka tourist registration center kanamla ban te lakam ye ka jingrung jingmi ki brio ki na shabar kajing penyang ye ke entry exit point kam de satya kajing e nila bante ye ka mentahi ni la shairu henry kamat ka bakong san kalong bandon ka Rukom Treikam ka bakershan da ka an ban pentrikam bat penjuri kajing khmi ka bala bante la kam ye ki bre ki bana shabar ong Conrad ki sangma ula ong ru bakajing don kam ban penkala amendment ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSE ka dei ru bandang kershan ban pet perman ye ki bre ki bawan rung na shabar ka jela.
So getting an entry-exit checkpoint is not an issue. We can set it up today, we can set it up tomorrow. The question is about having a legal mechanism to implement and actually enforce a checking that should happen. So that's where the problem and the challenge is, and that's where we were hoping that the MRSSA amendment would then allow us to have that system in place. So putting up a gate is not an issue at all, but making it and enforcing it to check and what kind of checking takes place, that is a key issue. So opening up a gate tomorrow and having a person sitting there is not going to solve the purpose. So he's right in the sense that we need to set up, but as I said, in order for it to become actually effective in the way that we would want it to be, it will require some work to be done, which is what the MRSSA amendment was supposed to be. We're working on it. Let's hope for the best.
MeghalayaPost.news.